The present research project is part of the scientific activities of Citad, Centre of Research in Território, Architecture and Design of Lusíada University, and integrates the Architecture Technologies Research Group. In the present context, the interior of the country is slowly becoming uninhabited due to an exodus of their populations in the search for better living conditions. The non-use of natural resources, or its depletion, and the lack of dynamics to attract new inhabitants also contributed to this problem. It is necessary to develop better living conditions for these populations so that they can find more opportunities in terms of housing, support the formation of new jobs and new industries, or even the exploitation of a more evolved and small-scale local agriculture. Promote mobility and other innovative activities, as well as cultural activities, which can settle the younger generations. This research project aims to study an evolutive, sustainable and multi-purpose modular house that can meet the needs of a population with few resources, in low population density areas with housing shortages, in Portugal or other countries, emphasizing the constructive system of this house that can be self-constructed. There should be the possibility of increasing the construction over time, according to economic conditions or the growth of the family, following the principles of sustainable construction, enabling innovative forms of realization, like self-construction and cladding systems in the finishes. The use of renewable energies, energy efficiency, renewable and preferably local materials that can be integrated in a circular economy, which are fundamental for the sustainability of buildings, is considered in the use phase. There is already evidence of demand for housing in suburban areas of medium-sized cities, and even in rural areas where people feel more at ease, far from big cities and where an accessible contact network allows them to live better. To reverse this situation, housing is considered an essential supporting factor necessary for the development and settlement of the populations in the interior of the country. Existing housing, which is generally run down and of bad quality, does not meet social and economic needs. New single-family housing repeats models without innovation, creativity and quality that is unattractive to the human environment. In regard, solutions aimed at evolving and flexible single-family housing in areas of low population density are considered feasible, and it allows houses with wider and cheaper areas close to workplace or even in the same place.